Unplug the hybrid connector from the SB100. Press both latches to unlock it while pulling the connector forward. Remove the 3 Torx T20 screws and lift the subframe. Insert the hybrid connector from the socket into the socket board. Put the socket bridge back in place. Secure it with the 3 screws you removed earlier. Tighten the bolts to 1 Nm using a Torx T20 screwdriver. Make sure the feeder cables go over the bridge. This prevents wrong cable routing. Before closing the unit, make sure all cables are straight and aligned.